Da. Adulthood na scam, you better get them for your mind. 247, nobody go give you free money. Oh, nobody go give you free money. Nobody go ask if you run job. If you no get now, you sabi oh. Adulthood na scam. Ay, I get way sing this song. Now my God go bless you. You sing the thing. Oh, if I know say na so this adulthood be, I for no come oh. I for no come oh. The thing won't finish me in short. That time we small thing. My mama do small thing and tell am say I want come out. Say I need my freedom. I need my freedom. Now they don't give me freedom. Freedom want to kill me oh. If you see the kind billing they be me in this house this morning now, Eka go come collect money for food. After she come out, I go say then say me them bring one thing or the other thing. After now, I take am back go say the food he chop no reach am. Now so he go repay. Ah, he never talk house rent oh. After he come out for house rent, he come out enter another thing. Now every day money they come out for your hand. Every day you dey spend money. Ha! Adulthood na really scam. Abeg, I want my mommy. I want to go back home to my house. He don't tire me oh. Everybody don't kill me. Feeling want to finish me. If he don't see me again, no say na feeling don't finish me oh. I don't go. Eka EKAETTE don't come out here. Signing out. I could see you again oh, if I fit. Bye bye.
Subscribe to my channel.